This is a Toyota Landcruiser 99 to 2600 series. We have fitted one of our specific systems. Comes with GPS. It plays DVD, SD, Bluetooth. You can synchronize your contacts. You can listen to your music, stream music through your phone, dial and receive phone calls. You can also dial manually, synchronize your contacts. FM AM RDS radio for better reception. CarPlay ready and Android Auto. You get 2 USB inputs, an extra AV input for a front camera, for example, clock, calendar, DVR dash cam ready, games, tire pressure monitoring system also ready, steering wheel controls compatible. This one here doesn't have steering wheel controls, but it works with the ones with reverse camera also, with distance lines and super wide angle. Sales and installations, please call us on 0404897027 or 0730535670. We have installers in Melbourne, Sydney, Gold Coast, Brisbane, Sunshine Coast, Toowoomba. Thank you. See you next time.